Hi everyone, my name is Senzeni Tjamey. I am the founder of the Handyman Bakery, which is based in Langaveli in Extension 8. As like the business says, the Handyman Bakery. It started when I was working as a handyman, and some of the guys, we were working at a distance area where there is no shop, no what. So I decided to use one of the client's kitchen, and then I started to bake for the guys. And then after that, it soon grew. Most of people wanted my cakes, started ordering. I started getting more orders, and then I went to Southern Africa, where I get more skills about baking. After then, I did a voluntary letter. I sent it to seven different type shops, bakeries, what. Then I got the opportunity to start to get that experience of baking, which I did at a local pizza house. Then after that, I realized that between 4 and 9 at that pizza place, and they were not working. So I started doing fake cakes from that time, from 4 to 9. And then after that, I started operating on my own after that. Now I'm here to introduce one of our best sellers products, which is the oats biscuits, the ginger biscuits, and cake in the cup, and German tart cake. And one of our most selling is our red cake burger, which is one of the most selling products. So I would love for all of you to come out and try it. People must choose my product because I offer the best taste in the industry. Since quality is something that everyone wants, the Handyman Bakery gives you a fixed taste. You can get hold of me on my social, which is the Handyman Bakery, Instagram the Handyman Bakery, Facebook the Handyman Bakery, TikTok the Handyman Bakery. Hi, my name is Senzeni Tjamey and I'm a Township Entrepreneur.